wonder who is actually watching your traffic while you sleep? Hi, I'm Bhavya, a developer at ClearTrust, and I'm part of the team that ensures not a single dollar of your ad spend goes to a bot. My day starts at 10 am. I focus on the architecture of our APIs, the engine of ClearTrust. I'm constantly refining how we process data to ensure our dashboard provides the real-time intelligence you need to make high-stakes decisions. I'm making sure everything behind the scenes work the way it should. User management, business management, and the theme management. That's what lets our customers log in and confidently track their traffic. After lunch, I'm in deep in Python, building our automated billing systems. For our clients, this means total transparency. By automating these processes, we ensure your billing is as accurate as our detection perfectly synced to your specific requirements. The afternoon is dedicated to testing and debugging. Ad fraud evolves every day, so I spend my time making our APIs faster and our scans more rigorous. We stay ahead of the curve so you can scale your campaigns with confidence. By 6 pm, I log out knowing that the code I wrote today saved our clients from wasted spend. It's rewarding to be a part of the team that doesn't talk about trust. We built it. I'm Bhavya, and we are crushing ad fraud at ClearTrust.